here we've got Samsung Solid, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So let me just grab phone, and now open menu, then go to settings, find and select date and time, and here you can smoothly change it. So you can either use automatic date and time, or you can switch it here. So now it's deactivated, and you can select the time zone. This is how you can smoothly and easily pick it. Then tap on up. So we picked Kathmandu, then let's change time. You can smoothly do it manually, and then click on save once it's changed. And it's the same with date, so click on change and then change the date as only you wish to. So let me go to 2016, tap on save then, and that's it. You can also change the time format here and date format, so just click here and then pick the preferred one. So this is it. Let me go back then. This is how you can change date and time on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.